limit of such functions. Now just think in a case of single variable. Let's suppose you are having a function which is depending on x only, and we want to find out the limit as x approaching to a. At x is equal to a, you can say. How will you find out the limit at x is equal to a in case of a single function?
We'll check at x is equal to a plus and a minus.
So you will find out basically the left limit and the right limit.
Yes.
Both exist, both are equal to some fixed number L, then you will say your function has a limit at x is equal to a. So basically we are approaching x to a from the left side or from the right side. If our function, this value exists and it is equal to some fixed number L, then we will say that this function has a limit at x is equal to a. And write, how will you write this limit? This is the mathematical notation. Another way we can write this as the difference of fx and L is negligible. This is very, very small whenever your x and a, this difference is very, very small. जब आप x को a पे अप्रोच करा रहे हो, either from the left side or right side, that's why I have taken the mod. लेफ्ट साइड से भी जा सकते हो, राइट साइड से भी जा सकते हो. सो जब भी आप x को अप्रोच करवा रहे हो टू द पॉइंट a, means this difference is very, very small, means all of your x, if you open this, it will become this. So it means your x belong to the interval a minus delta to a plus delta, where delta is positive small number, very small number. So whenever your x is lying in this interval, means the values in the left side and values in the right side, all these values. So whenever you are, yes.
And can we say that delta is approaching to 0?
Approaching to 0, but not exactly 0, because it is always strictly greater than 0. Now why it is strictly greater than 0? Because we have taken mod over here and we are saying this is strictly less than delta. We know that mod is always positive, so delta should be strictly greater than 0 but near about 0. Getting my point? Means it is very, 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 very small, but not exactly 0. It is approaching to 0.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can we say that the function is continuous too, because LHL and RHL are equal to a fixed number?
No. You will say function to be continuous if it is will become the value of the function at that point.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you will say it is continuous. But abhi hum talk kar rahe hain about the limit points. Okay. So you are having a function of single variable. In mathematical notation, it is simply you have to put x to be a. If it exists a finite value, then that finite value is the limit of the function f at any point a. Another way we can write this fx and L, they are very, very near to each other. They are approaching to each other. So that means this difference is very small whenever this difference is very small. So this is another epsilon delta definition of limit point, right? You have not to bother about this. Just remember this thing: whenever our x is approaching to a, our function is approaching to L. So that means this difference is also very small. Want to find out the limit whenever your xy is approaching to some number x naught comma y naught. Mathematically, it's very clear. You will write down xy approaching to x naught comma y naught. If your f of xy is approaching to L, this L exists, it is some finite number, you will say the limit exists of this function at this point. Same way जैसे single variable में किया. But single variable में you have only two directions. One is the left direction, another is the right direction, right? Approaching to the point A. If your function is approaching to some number L, you will say your function has a limit at A. But in case of a function of two variables, this is your any function, this is any point. So this point is, let's suppose x naught comma y naught. Okay, so you are saying your x is approaching to x naught and y is approaching to y naught. There lie infinitely many directions which passes through these points. Maybe there is a little change in x variable only. x के लिए आपको दो डायरेक्शंस मिली, एक ये वाली एक ये वाली. y के लिए आपको दो डायरेक्शंस मिली, ये वाली. बट कुछ डायरेक्शंस ऐसी भी होंगी जिसमें चेंज x में भी आ रहा है एज वेल एज y में भी आ रहा है. So all these are the directions from where your x is approaching to x naught and y is approaching to y naught. There lie infinitely many directions which are passes through the point x naught comma y naught. This is the major difference in case of function more than one independent variable.
मैम ये f of x y एक बार रिपीट कर दोगे प्लीज?
हाँ, sure. Let's suppose you are having a function of two independent variables. So here are two independent variables. Our function is depending on both these variables. Now I have to find out the limit of this function at any point x naught comma y naught. In case of single variable, if you need to find out the value of the function at a, you want to find out the limit at a, you will find out the left limit as well as the right limit. If both these limit exist, both are equal, you will say your function has a limit at x is equal to a. There are only two directions in case of single variable. One is the left side, another is the right side. Okay, but when we are having a function of two independent variables, so in that case our function is lying in a plane, right? So we now required a change in x as well as change in y variable. तो ये मेरा कोई function है, इस point पे मुझे approach करवाना है. This is some x naught comma y naught. So we need to find out the value of the function at this point. There are not only two direction, one is the left and the right. अगर आप x axis के along direction देखोगे, means your y is 0, तो change in x variable only आएगा, और वो change in x left side से भी आएगा और right side से भी आएगा. Similarly, अगर आप y axis के parallel देखोगे, तो उस केस में आपका x वेरिएबल में कोई चेंज नहीं है, बट आपका y वेरिएबल चेंज हो रहा होगा इन द लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन एज वेल एज राइट डायरेक्शन में. बट देयर आर सो मेनी अदर डायरेक्शंस आल्सो जहां पर चेंज x वेरिएबल में भी आ रहा है, y वेरिएबल में भी आ रहा है. सो इन केस ऑफ टू वेरिएबल द लिमिट एग्जिस्ट ओनली व्हेन, जब ऑल डायरेक्शंस में आपने लिमिट निकाला, सब एग्जिस्ट किए और सबकी वैल्यू सेम आई, तो आप कहोगे द फंक्शन हैज अ लिमिट एट अ पॉइंट x naught comma y naught. This is the meaning, and this is the major difference in case of a single variable and two variables.